Hey, what's up? I just added a update to RC bulldozer. So this is the same body. Thanks, cameraman. You know I put. Yes. So it looks like the same, but in the movie it has some wires on the cables. Green, black, and some wires. The wires were connected there. This one is kind of a robot. It starts as a RC bulldozer. If you want to expand the lore, it uses tracks to grip on the ground to find its enemies. It can go fast. Its options are music, sounds, honking, and alert mode. In the movie, it's not like this. It has pretty much all wires around it. It has a battery charger with a USB connector, a Lego Mindstorms with some extra gripples like parts. It has a computer robotics camera, a laser pen, some bunch of wires, including two wires, a red and a black one, connected to a motor that spins on the motor that controls the Technic like claw that can grab or anything like that. If you've seen the Propel one, that's it. Also has some middle things and has the main black cord wrap around it. So that's the update for this.